Hi, I'm gonna do a devlog on a game that I made a long time ago called Super Ball Bros. And the code and what I want to change in the future. It has a little menu, and if you click play, you get in. As you can see, there is no collision detection, which I will work on. But I made a little level here, and it works. And there's some other things that are in progress. And if I go look at the code here, it has many variables. And there's the main function called draw game. It clears the screen and checks for inputs. And it will draw the level, draw the player, and give the inputs. It checks if different buttons are pressed. I haven't made crouching yet. And draw level is very big because, yeah, it's just made of this, like, giant loop. And I'm thinking I could make, like, a list and then go for that list to build it using a for loop. This is the gravity. It just checks if we're touching anything, and it changes the player's Y. This is to draw player. We're using CTX, which is kind of a rendering for JavaScript. If I go down here, we use CTX.fillStyle to change the color. Use some math to make an arc, which makes the circle. Then he has the little hat and overalls. And then this is the key down event that checks if a key down is touched, and it has an event in it. That has an event listener. And then it checks. Then we have the key up, which checks also. We have touch check. We have the function to make a block. So there's different blocks. This is the grass, and what we do is we set it to tan and we fill a rectangle. But we have to use some X, like we have to add the scroll X and scroll Y so that it will move with, like, how we move with our keys. Because the guy isn't actually moving. The world is moving instead of him. And we have something that I'm trying to work on for coins. And if I go check, so it's a 4 in the special blocks. And if I go into my game, restart it, and click inspect, I can inspect the code. If I go to the console, yes, it's saying the coin rotation is going. It's going a little high though, so we're gonna have to work on that. And I'm gonna change it so that coin rotation won't be going for right now, and I think we might have a coin in the world. Oh yes, we do, and the coins right there. I wonder what that happened. Yes, we have coins, and we can move around. And I think once I get collision detection, the better way to build levels, we're going to be able to collect those coins. Another project that I'm working on is I'm trying to recreate Geometry Dash, and I'll make a devlog on that once I make a little bit more progress on it. And in this, we're making the function that we can create the blocks, and I think I might be able to open it, if I go through everything, and I think it's index. It's probably, it's here. Geometry dash file. And if I click on index.html, can't move around yet and that stuff. That's because nothing has been made yet. Like, we have rendering working, just we haven't made anything in it yet.